Hey guys, today is back at it with another video. And we got something new from this channel. It's called unboxing. Like almost everybody does.
Yeah, we're gonna unbox me.
No, you're not sure.
Yeah, you guys can hit me with the stick for the piñata. So, put on your blindfold. I'm just kidding.
Okay, we'll show you it now. Look at that!
It's beautiful. It's
is.
a Sharkbite though.
Seriously.
Yes.
Miley, you wanna hold the...
I'll hold it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll hold it.
I think I just covered the camera.
No,
No, yeah. Miley did. Okay. We have the duck boat. Let's open this thing.
That's not how you open it, sadly.
Okay.
You want me to help you?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna need help.
Nope.
No, like, it's not. Definitely not.
Whatever.
Okay.
None of us care.
Yeah, none of us care. Out.
We have this.
Yeah. That's.
Do you need
Everybody
help here?
smack the
Hold this.
piñata with
Mayleen,
this.
hold it.
Yeah, sure with it.
Look.
Wait.
Guys.
Wait, I think I can read the screen. Okay.
Yeah.
Look, guys. This is a collector's thing.
Yeah.
Collectors.
Yes. This is where you could collect. I don't know. I can't see it because I can.
Wait.
There.
There it
All of the people.
All the peoples.
All of the people. And there's another. Here, let me help you. Yeah, just take off the pull it
Yeah,
off.
so.
I'm gonna pull it off myself.
Wait. Wait. Watch it. Okay.
Watch, Ducky is gonna get out in a sec. Oh, I can feel this duck.
Wait.
Guys,
Dada! He. Look, guys,
So this
we got
is-
the duck out.
yeah.
We got the ducky. Wait, I didn't notice that you can take the seats off.
You could?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Hello. This is a seat. This is a seat.
Now.
Look, now one of these. Pull that out.
Wait. I'm trying to.
Hola. Ow.
Yeah,
Look
so
at the duck boat.
This is the duck.
You okay? This hurts. There we go.
Oh, God.
Oh, look, it opens its mouth.
Oh, wait.
I know.
Oh, you can move it.
I know it's
It has
cool,
wheels
right?
on the bottom.
I know. Okay.
Are you still recording, Mayleen?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Look, they
Yeah,
have,
I showed my face.
It comes with 4 seats because that's how the boat.
You could make like a little movie theater with these. We have the shark. Mayleen, go put it like that.
It's
Oh.
it's
can
so
leave it like
hard,
We have the seats.
guys. It's literally so.
This could be like
hard.
movie theater seats.
Exactly. Even
And
though
then
they're
we
yellow,
have- They're fine. It's fine. After that, we have
I
this
think I
shark.
have a solution.
Yeah, sure. Wait, you can't see it. You can only see
Eat
its mouth.
me.
Okay.
That looks cool.
Okay. Now here we
It
have.
moves its head. That's scary.
Now we have the. Now we have
He's like, look at my butt.
the character, guys. Look at that.
Wait, it doesn't.
Oh yeah, I know. Look, guys. It's the character.
Does she have 2 faces? I don't think so. Can you take off the hair? Oh my god.
Yeah.
You can? She could go bald.
Yeah.
I don't want to break it.
Like
So we're not gonna
exactly, girl. Look.
Does she fit in the seat?
She fits in the seat. Look,
What?
She fits in the seat.
guys.
We
look
did
at that.
it. She fits.
Yeah,
She looks scared. She looks like she's scared of the movie. Let's put all of the trash in the box. Ethan, can you pass me that?
Okay.
Got it. Oh, look, there's a gun.
Yeah, we forgot about the gun.
We're so overexcited. How do you unbox stuff?
That's just weird. Skeleton Sasha. Skeleton Sasha, this is your duck boat. Oh God. Oh, I love this one. Let me just.
Did you barely put that one on there?
Where's the
They
shark?
barely put that one on there?
Where's the shark? I want to try the shark.
Yeah.
Look at that duck. Where's the duck? I mean, where's the shark?
Oh, I have it right here.
Imagine it was
Dede, can you help?
Imagine we put it in water. Imagine we put it in water right now. The duck and the shark. And then we make like a whole story.
guys. Don't worry.
No, it's fine. Just you're not even sure. Wait, just do it like this.
Oh,
You can close it too.
look, guys. Guys, look at that.
This is so cool.
It's a rocket launcher, guys.
It's a rocket launcher?
Yeah, it's for the game. Guys, I'm gonna put the thing on. Wait, did I put it backwards?
You checked them off?
Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, I'm sorry.
You have both of the only vehicles.
Look, guys. She has the.
She's gonna shoot the. So she's gonna be sitting in the seat.
Yeah, and we're gonna make another video soon.
She's gonna be sitting in the seat, and then she's gonna see a shark, and then she's gonna be like, and then the shark is gonna try to eat the duck, but then like she's gonna shoot the shark, and then the shark is gonna go bye bye.
No, the shark like takes. Comment down below how much you have to shoot the shark, and until he dies. That's so cool. There's literally a shark boat. I mean a shark. And literally a duck. The epic duck.
It's like a backup.
Wait.
Look, you can move his tail.
You can move his face.
Wait, actually we could actually put it in the water because of the tail. Could put it in the water. But
You're showing its butt. I'm just kidding.
this is its butt. The shark actually poops.
Ew.
Yes, it does. It has poopy in here.
You like my eyeball?
Yeah. Look at that. That's a cute duck and epic duck. Hey, picture.
Imagine we weren't recording this entire time. That'd be sad.
Imagine.
Yeah.
But it stops at a limit. Hello.
Riding my boat.
So guys, that's it for the video. Wait. That's it for the video. Like, subscribe, and hit.
No, it doesn't
Smash
have.
or hit
It doesn't have a
the notification bell and turn on notifications and comment down below how much damage does the shark take until it's
No,
dead.
comment down below.
Yeah, I messed up.
No, actually, comment down below.
If you could put this in water.
Yeah, because we don't know, because we just got it.
Okay, bye, people.
Bye.
We're professional YouTubers. Not really. Bye.